So in jump rope, it's all about leaving the ground and returning to the ground. What goes up must come down. In this video, we're going to discuss jumping and landing mechanics. That is one of the most fundamental aspects of rope jumping. And we have Shana, Brady from Punk Rope, and I'm Tim Haft. And why don't we start with footwear? It's going to vary all over the map, but most of you are going to be wearing sneakers. Shana also has a pair of 5 fingers. That is the most minimal shoe you can wear, and of course barefoot would be an option for some folks who are probably insane.
Hard on your toes.
Yeah, it's really hard when that rope hits your toes. That is not fun, guys. But anyway, your shoes are going to be your point of contact with the ground. And in another video we discussed posture, but before we talk about jumping, let's review where you want your weight. You want your weight in the balls of your feet. Doesn't mean your heels have to come up, but it does mean you don't want your weight in your heels because you'll back up. Okay, weight in the balls of your feet. And then to the extent that you can, you want your feet close together. So everyone's a little bit different anatomically, but here you see Shana's big toes are essentially touching, and now she's a little pigeon-toed, and some people are the opposite, they turn out. But again, feet relatively close together. Okay, so to jump, it's going to sound kind of obvious and a little dorky, but we flex at the ankles, knees, and hips, right? That's the precursor to jumping. And then to leave the ground, we extend at the ankles, knees, and hips. So flexion and extension. All right, pretty basic stuff, right? Yes. All right, now if Shana turns toward the camera again, couple of things that you want to notice. The height of her jump. So for single unders, which is what most of you will be doing most of the time, those jumps should be just high enough to clear the rope. And that's going to be around a 1/2 inch to an inch. If you jump higher than that, it's going to be louder. You'll definitely hear it, and you will definitely feel it. Now Shauna's on a wrestling mat, so pretty good shock absorption, but for some of you who are on asphalt or cement, you really want to get those jumps down, very low, and possibly more importantly, as soon as you land, those 3 joints we mentioned, ankles, knees, and hips, need to flex. Because if they don't, if they're rigid, you're going to feel that shock travel from your foot to your hip, all the way up to your head. So we need to be relaxed, we need to be light on our feet, we need to keep those jumps low and soft. So some of the things, guys, to pay attention to in this, you'll need a partner or a coach, will be what happens at the feet when you land. A couple of issues could be pronation. That means the feet roll in, okay? Another problem could be supination. That means the feet roll out. And this could be because of weakness or prior injury. Another thing that could happen is the feet stagger. For a variety of reasons, one foot might come forward, and that isn't usually a problem in terms of injury, but it could be a problem in terms of catching your rope. And one other thing to look for is the position of the knees on landing. So folks that have some weakness, as soon as they land, those knees will come together, exactly like that. And then when they jump, they'll come apart. Now Shana's exaggerating, but if you're going to be jumping rope or engaging in any athletic endeavor, you're going to want to get strong in all the muscles around the hips all the muscles around the knees, and of course in your calves and your core, right? So it may be worth doing some additional strength training to get yourself, a little bit stronger so that you can withstand the impact from rope jumping. Okay? So there you go. That's jumping and landing mechanics. Main things: light on your feet, low jumps, feet close together, and there you have it. Well, thanks so much for joining us, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. Visit us at punkrope.com, and we'll see you soon.